Hey guys, so yeah, I'm just popping on quickly. Sorry, as you know, I'm not really good at vlogging. So when we went and did this hike, I obviously did not really talk to the camera much. So basically, if you're ever in Knysna, there is the most beautiful hike you can do. You just go on your way to Sedgefield and you take the right at the Reardendal turn off and you go to Sand Parks there. It's about 55 Rand for an adult for the day. And you just follow the signboards all the way to Jubilee Creek. Beautiful little hike. You'll see all the videos. Please excuse some of the random talking, but you can also hear some of the beautiful nature, see the beautiful views, and there's a lovely waterfall at the end of that Jubilee Creek. It's about a 3.6k walk hike ish, obviously through the forest. It's not that hard. There's a tiny little steep section that's a bit like meh, but otherwise, and you're crossing 3 river crossings. So a little bit of an adventure, but it's so much fun. Definitely worth it if you're in Knysna. And take along a picnic or a braai, and you can sit there at the parking area. You can go panning for gold in the little stream. Apparently that's what they used to do back in the day. Don't think you'll find any now, but you know, you never know. There's also other little hikes around in the sand parks there. There's the Knysna and the Bos, which is back in history where they used to have elephants, or apparently they still do, and the original people used to walk that circle in that forest, and that's where they used to cull their elephants and that. And it's a pretty nice book if you like reading. But yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoy seeing some of the stuff, and yeah, stay tuned for some of my cooking recipes coming this weekend.
I saw it.
That's why we send you in front.
No, I don't want to be friends anymore.
Even me.
Aren't you scared of spiders, Helen?
No. There you go. Just jump, don't kill him.